Hello guys, today we are going to unbox the Nova NV-1290 foldable hair dryer. So let us begin and see what's inside the box. So as you can see that the box is wrapped with the bubble plastic cover, so there is no damage during the delivery process. So this is the box. The dryer has a 1000-watt fold and it is the foldable hair dryer. The greatest thing which I like the most is the price of the dryer, which is $250. It is the lowest among all the available dryers in the market, that is the Philips ones and all. So let's see what's inside the box. As you can see, the box only contains the dryer and nothing else. As the dryer is the cheapest among all the available dryers, so you can expect nothing much more. The length of the wire is not so long, but it is okay. As you can see, the foldable dryer, it is very easy to use and it is very convenient if you are traveling, and it is easy to take anywhere if you travel much without any hesitation. There are three modes, that is the 0, the 1 and the 2. On 1 it is on the medium power and on 2 it is on the higher power. So let's turn the dryer on and see how it works. So the dryer is on the first level and it is not at its maximum speed. So right now let's take it to the maximum speed. So now the dryer is on its maximum speed and it works pretty well. As you can see, the noise is little bit loud, but it is nice. So you cannot expect nothing much, as the price of the dryer is $250. So I personally think that the dryer has great build quality and it has a great price. So thank you for watching the video. So if you like my video, just hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.